Hi, this is VisiPro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to disable comment on Instagram for a post you've already shared. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! First of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, you can tap on your profile. You can choose post that you want to turn off the comment from that post. As example, I will choose this post. Now, you can tap on three dots on the upper right corner over here. You can see there's an option, turn off commenting. You can tap on that. So you can see there's no option icon. There's no icon comment on this post. So nobody can comment on your post. If you want to turn off the other post, you can do the same way, like this. Tap on the three dots over here, and then tap on turn off commenting, like this. Now, the options for comment, icon comment is disappeared. You can see whenever anybody see that post, they can only like that post. So that is how to disable comment on Instagram for a post you've already shared. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!